What's good, everyone on YouTube? Back with another sneaker video. Today I'll be giving you a quick look at my top 5 pickups of 2018. 2018 has been crazy for sneakers. Mainly in this list I'll be going over sneakers that I picked up instead of just shoes that I kind of missed out on. I've went for pretty much every hype release that you can think of, and these are the ones I was able to get. Bear in mind before we get into the actual list, if you hear a fan in the background, it is extremely hot in the UK right now, so if I didn't have the fan, I'd probably be in here sweating and dying. Already sweating, but you know, it is what it is. And also, I did start a hip-hop podcast, so if you're into like hip-hop, music, album reviews and that such, I started with a friend, Sean DJ. Make sure to check it out. I'll leave links down in the description. It's on all streaming platforms. So yeah, thank you guys. And getting into the list, starting off with number 5. Number 5 being bottom of the list, going all the way up to 1. So number 5 is the Air Max 97-1 Sean Wotherspoons. Now this shoe is absolutely crazy. The materials are super nice. Very out there colorway, very springtime-esque colorway. And living in the UK, it would have been higher, but living in the UK, I know during the winter months these are just going to be retired. I am a fan of the fraying, not on this side so much, but on this pair right here. You can kind of see the fraying a little bit more on the side, on the green corduroy. But just a really dope colorway, dope materials. Sean Wotherspoon really put his stamp on this on Air Max Day 2018. And moving on to number 4. So I'm cheating a little bit with this one. Number 4 did not release in 2018. It released last year. Cyber Monday release, and that is the Black Cause Air Jordan 4. Now I did pick these up this year. Really dope materials used. Really happy to pick these up. I'm gonna get a lot of wear during the winter months. I've already liquid proofed these. I've worn one time out, but just a dope shoe. Unfortunately didn't release in the UK. From what I know, they only released in the US via lottery on Cause's website. But the details are just amazing on this shoe. The suede midsole, the stitched in Cause hands, just everything about this shoe is dope. So that's number 4. Get into number 3. So number 3 is another Air Jordan 4, and that is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s. Absolutely love these. I've already worn them quite a bit, actually. The only downside of this pair is the fact that the materials are not the best. When you're going back to like the Cause Air Jordan 4s, these just don't really compare. The tongue is kind of like really weird on this pair for some reason. It just stays flat instead of kind of like curving a little bit, and there's a whole bunch of glue stains. There's quality control issues on this pair, and I think that's why the demand for this shoe kind of went down once people started getting their pairs in hand and just seeing the quality. But by far my favorite June release, and just happy to have them. I was going for the off-white ones, the UNC pair, but unfortunately struck out on those. I did get this off-white jersey, so consolation prize, I guess. But yeah, so number 3 is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s. Alright, so moving to number 2. Number 2 is a pair that I've been wearing constantly. I wear these at least once a week ever since I got them, and that is the off-white Vapor Max in the black colorway. These are pretty much my workhorse. I wear these to work at least once or twice a week. I didn't realize how comfortable Vapor Maxes are after a while. Over time, they do need a break-in period. I know when these first came out, this whole thing about is Vapor Max more comfortable than Boost, and for the most part, it's not. But once you break them in, they do become very comfortable, very snug fit, and just a really nice sneaker on foot. It's very unique. I do like the tongue as well. The padded tongue adds something more than a normal Vapor Max normally has, but yeah. And so my main fears about these though were the Nike check. In my review, I did say that these kind of catch sweat and condensation. I haven't really noticed them yellowing, but I can see in the future they probably will. But that's a future problem. But yeah, so number 2 is the Off-White Vapor Max in the black colorway. So moving to number 1. So number 1 is a shoe that I've been waiting for years to re-retro, especially retro in the right way, and that is the Black Cement 3 with the Nike Air on the back. And this shoe is just crazy. Quality is there. I've worn these for at least like 2 months straight, like almost every other day. I'm just super ecstatic to have a pair of these finally in the collection. I've been waiting for these for years, especially with the Nike Air. It just wouldn't be the same without it, and I'm super happy that they brought it back with the Nike Air, especially with the Nike on the bottom as well. This is just number 1. This is number 1 so far. And I'm just happy, super happy. Just a classic shoe, classic colorway. So number 1 is the Black Cement 3 with the Nike Air. And there you have it. That is my top 5 pickups of 2018. Please let me know down in the description what was your favorite out of my top 5, and what is your favorite pickup of 2018. Let me know down in the comments, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.